Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a few project shares for you today. Ebony and I, the Misfits, we decided we were going to participate in a few challenges. So we picked 3 challenges, and here is the first one. So this is Zenobia. I will leave the links in the description box below, but I used a Dollar Tree pouch. I think I could add some ribbon on here. I'll see if I could find some. I used the Dollar Tree pouch, and I added this trim from Bethany, who is the Rosette Guru here on Instagram. And I also used some letters, some thickers from my stash, and put it right down the middle. Zenobia is very easy challenge. She just asked for a Memdex card, and I'm not going to open it. This is what I did. If you want to see how I put this together, just go back to my live playlist, and it's with Ebony and I, the Misfits. That is where I put these projects together. So this one is a Chaos Craft envelope Memdex card, and I used one of the pieces to decorate it as the information card, so she could pull it in and out of the envelope. It's a shaker. And this collection is a Hobby Lobby bows collection. I don't have it out at the moment, but I've shared it before, so I used that. The back is just plain, so it's the same paper collection. And her challenge, you were to include a beadable item. So this is what I put in my project. This is also from the Rosette Guru. It's a keychain with the puffy heart. So that's what I chose to send to Zenobia. And on the zipper pull, I included some items also from the Rosette Guru, the little strawberry clip, and all these beads and dangles. So I added that to hers since hers was very easy. The other project, hold on. Okay, so sorry, I had a interruption. So okay, the second challenge we picked to participate was another Memdex challenge, and this is Bethany, who is your crafty BFF, Bethany. This collection is another Hobby Lobby collection. It is the cowboy theme. I don't remember the name of it. I don't have it out again. I put it away. But I made the Memdex myself. Like I didn't use a die to cut the shape out. I used my Memdex punch, and I just used a 4x4 square, and then I just punched the corners to round them out. This bow and this envelope, these are from a separate Chaos Craft die, and that is the gift card holder, gift card envelope with the belly band, and it came with the bow. So that's what it looks like. There's the belly band. I didn't use it. I just used the bow and the envelope. And it also comes with layering pieces, so kind of hard. It has all 4 sides with the layering pieces, but I didn't use it. I just used the bow, the top and the bottom. These are dies from Amazon. It's just the nesting dies. I don't even know who made this. It was just, I purchased it off of Amazon. And the Sending Smiles is also a die from Chaos Craft. It is the November 2025 Daily Sentiments, and it's Sending Smiles. That's the one I used. Okay, so this is the same bow from, I just showed you that die. I just showed it to you. Here you go. This is the bow I used from this die set. I just made 4, and what Bethany wanted was just regular pastel colors. So I used Michael's pink cardstock, and the background paper is also from the Hobby Lobby Cowboy collection. No, the pink does not match this cowboy collection, but it's okay as long as it was pastel, and they had to be the same bow, same color, so, or same color. Same with her, she asked for rosettes, so I used 2 different rosette dies, but they're from the same company. And this is my crafty shop, my little crafty shop. I don't think she's in business anymore. So this was her rosette die set. It has a set of 4 different shapes, so really tiny scallops, and then these like teardrops. And then this is this guy right here. It's the diamond cutout right there. And then this one is this rosette right here. So I made those for her. And yeah, so these dies come in nice clutch. It's a good size rosette. So I put those together. These are all for Bethany, for my crafty BFF. And then the last one we chose was Crafty Christalyn. She also wanted a Memdex. All 3 of them, it was either a Memdex or an ATC card. And I chose the Memdex to make for her. And, ooh, I didn't think this through. I used the balloon. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, man. It's okay. We're going to pull it off nice and easy. All right. So this is the KS Crafts Snowflake Memdex card. Okay, it's not a shape of a snowflake, but this came with snowflakes. So let me show you. It's one of her oldies. I got this one off off Amazon. So it came with these snowflakes. You got a layering piece, and you've got a small card. I did not use the card. I just used the card from this die set. There's a small rectangle in there, but it has stitching details, so that's why I chose that one. To decorate my Memdex card, I used some Dollar Tree stickers. So these are from Dollar Tree, and this is from Hobby Lobby. This little bow. So there's like these cake pops in the background, and there's layered cake. Yeah, so these stickers came from a different birthday collection, but still Dollar Tree. And then I cut out the card, and it did have stitching details, but I cut the card down on the stitch line so that it would fit in my pocket. And then this is just another sticker from this collection from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I just put the little thing there for a pull out tab, but I also put some laminate, you can see there, the holographic laminate on top of just plain pink cardstock. And then I wrote, you know, a few favorites on the back, and I covered the back with my washi to hide my address. So there it goes in just like that. I wanted the flowers to stick out like that. So it'll get there. There you go. There it is. And then I just added my sticker label that I created with my Cricut on some printable holographic vinyl. And that's what it looks like. And so this will go right back in and right back onto this handmade bag that I struggled with on our live. Remember, go check it out. It's on my channel, The Misfits, and also on Ebony's channel, The Misfits Live. And yeah, so I used 6x6 paper, this one, because it matched the cake. It's got the mint with the polka dot. And I used 2 6x6 pieces and folded it over the container to cover my embellishment box. That's what she required. And so I filled these up with some goodies. There was no required size, but I just kind of filled it up with some beads, beadables. And majority of these are from Ebony, who is the Rosette Guru, like I said. So yeah, bows and flowers, and it kind of fits the theme that I went with. And this embellishment box is a Dollar Tree nail kit. It comes with the fake nails, and I just took out the nails and used the casing. And this is how I came about this box, or this bag. I just made it around the embellishment box. Here's more of those stickers that I use from Dollar Tree, all of that. And then there's a paper ruffle. It's kind of hard to see, but I just folded some of the scraps from the same paper pad and put it underneath and added the stickers on top. I used two papers, so one of them is just a 6x6 and it only covers the side and the front. And then there's the back side. It just covers my Memdex card. So I'm going to put that right here. And it's nice and secure. And this will go in a small little bubble mailer. Like that's real easy. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little recap of what I've been making with Ebony with the Misfits. And yeah, go check out these ladies on YouTube and Instagram. I'll leave their links down below. Hit that description box and it'll open up for you, and it'll have all the links. You just click on it and it'll take you, hopefully, if it works, it should take you to those. Yeah, so there it is. Thank you all for watching. Thumbs up this video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join the crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye.